Welcome back to the second installment of our YouTube tutorial on the personal profile page within the Nafini app. In our first part, we guided you through changing your profile photo quickly and gave an in-depth overview of the timeline feature. If haven't seen it yet, please click on the link on the top right of this video. Now, let's delve into the profile feature, a key aspect of personalizing your presence on the app. When you tap into the profile feature, you open up possibilities to edit or add more information about yourself. This is particularly beneficial for letting visitors or potential bookers, especially if you're a talent, get to know you better. At the top of this page, your name, username, the date you joined our community, and your follower count are displayed prominently. To update or add more to your profile, simply click the Edit button located at the top right corner of the page. Once you're in the Edit section, you'll find a form to fill out. The fields available will vary based on your profile type. At the top of this page, there are two tabs: Details and More Details. Each of these tabs leads to a different form, allowing you to provide comprehensive information about yourself. After filling out these forms, make sure to hit Save at the top right to ensure all your new information is updated on your profile. Back on the Edit Profile page, just below the Edit section, you have the option to manage your profile photo. Here, you can add a new photo, change your current one, or remove it altogether. Following this, you'll find the Cover Photo section, where you have similar options to add, change, or delete your cover photo. And that covers the essentials of the profile feature on the Nafini app. In our upcoming videos, we will break down the other features found on the personal profile page, providing you with more insights and tips to enhance your experience on the Nafini app. There's so much more to explore, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the features of the personal profile. See you soon, and don't forget to secure your success with a cherry on top with Nafini.
Nafini selection.